Hi, and this is a review for the Hairbond Super Professional Hair Fiber. Now, I'll just start with the actual packaging. Super nice, just like a clear sort of package here. This is actually the 100 milliliter one. So we open the top here, take the case off, and we have a nice protective seal there. We have the paste there fiber. It actually smells actually so nice. I usually wear powder in my hair, so I'm used to having it really sort of like matty and dry, and it has no smell to it. This has a really nice smell. When you apply the hair fiber, it feels really nice in your hair. It's just there's a really strong hold to it, and it's also easy to wash out, which is really convenient because I wear it. I've been wearing this every single day. Yeah, I would highly recommend this. There's not enough good things to say about it. It's just absolutely brilliant. Again, the smell, the hold. You don't need to actually use that much to apply it into your hair either. You can just rub a tiny bit into your hands together, and that's literally just enough to cover the whole head. So I think this is probably going to last me a few months, so that's even better. Value for money, just absolutely perfect. Yeah, this was actually the last one on the Amazon store as well, so I think they must sell out really quickly. So if you are thinking about getting some of this, I would get it quick because it will sell out.